Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and then we'll set up to see how it looks on my new AISPEECH 4K webcam. It's this one right here. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. And they also sent the stand to go with it, so let's go ahead and check it out. We'll hook it up to the computer and actually see how it looks. Alright, so here's the cable. It's Type-C to USB. Looks like it has another adapter in case you wanted like Type-C to Type-C. Screw, manual for it. All right, here's the actual webcam itself. Wow, this is neat. It's got a cover for it right here. That's cool. And this is you can normally just either hang it on the desktop, laptop like this. I am gonna do it with the stand I got, so let's go ahead and unbox this as well. Got a little tripod right here, and it just screws on very easily. All right, perfect. The plug is right here on the back, so we'll go ahead and hook it up to the computer, and then now I'll switch my video to this so we can see how it sounds and how the quality actually looks on the camera. All right guys, so this is how the camera actually looks directly from it. This is the sound quality from it. So man, just as soon as I connected it, well, when I will say just plug and play, as soon as I connected it to my Windows desktop, everything started working within, I don't know, 2 minutes, if that. It is compatible with Apple and Linux, so it is compatible with all of them that are out there. And like, it just like the focus and the quality of what I could see is just really good. So if you do any kind of content creation, or you're doing like any business meetings, Zoom calls, anything like that, man, this camera's gonna just do that for you. I wanted to point out about the camera. The 4K camera, it's got the 1080 30 frames per second or 720 at 60 frames per second. So I do really like the quality of the camera. Like I might just start switching to this camera to start recording a lot of my content. Like I really enjoyed it. I ended up not using the stand for it, just because of the positioning. It was just kind of like a little bit too much to the side, so I did end up putting it on my monitor. And I kind of just like it up there, but like I said, I do like that you can end up attaching it to here. As you can see, it was just simple, just the way I showed it on here earlier. The microphone does feature dual noise cancellation microphone, so hopefully it's coming down crystal clear from here. I'll check that out soon here in a little bit, but just from what I can see, this camera does it all. And the last thing that I'll say is I just have a small light here. I turn off most of them, but I'm just gonna show the auto light balance feature that the camera has, so you can just kind of see how it works. So I'm just going to turn this off super quick so you can see it, and this is what it looks like. There's no other light being projected towards me, so as you can see, even at this, just the camera itself still looks really clean, really crisp picture. So if you're looking for a new webcam, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10.